Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with the last step in building Revell 69 charger, the final assembly. And for this we only need about a half dozen parts and they're all right here on this chrome tree. So most of them right here in this corner in fact. We got the door handles up here, the fuel fill, wipers, and the side view mirror. And the fuel fill is the only one that there's anything tricky about. You can kind of see that it says the word fuel on it. You want that to be lined up with the edge of the fender. But otherwise, these parts are pretty straightforward, so I'm just going to cut them out, glue them onto the car, and I will be right back with the finished charger. And here it is all wrapped up. I've got the last of those parts on. I also did the bare metal foil around the windows and the side marker lights. Uh, The side view mirrors are not the ones that came in the kit. Those are something I had in my parts box, but they mount exactly the same as what you would see on the kit. So nothing really wacky there. For the fuel fill, this is the orientation you want so that you can kind of read the word fuel if you were standing next to the car. And yeah, so that's basically it. Uh, Another quick look under the hood. Oh, and I did add the license plates to it as per the video. So got those going on. So notwithstanding anything left over from the options you selected, you will have a few leftover parts. You should have a second starter, a second belt assembly, and a second power steering pump. So I hope this series has been helpful. If there's anything that I missed or anything that you'd like to see in the future, feel free to leave a comment, send me a message. And if you end up building one of these, feel free to let us all know. It's always nice to see other takes on the same build. And I will be back with another build very shortly. So until then, thanks for watching.